In this section, we will build the backend of our e-commerce application. In this video, I'll start off by setting up the server side. We'll create a new folder, server, and in there, create a new file, app.js. Now we want to run this app.js, so we'll set up a script in package.json, and this script will run nodemon server app.js. Alright, now in the app.js I want to add some basic Express code, so I'll paste in some code. Now this is a basic Express app requiring Express, body parser, mongoose, and a config. Right now I do not have config, so I'll create this file, and then I am importing Express. I'm creating an Express server and serving the static from the dist folder. Now we do not have the dist folder yet because we did not do ng build. We'll do that, but before that we need to npm install Express and body parser because we haven't done that. So I'll save this, and in my project I'll do npm install save. I want Express, body parser, mongoose, and that should install all of them. In the meantime, I'll also create a config file. So I'll create a new file, config.js, and this will be module.export, be an object, and I think I'm expecting Mongo URL. I want to give Mongo URL. This will be alright. Now this is good. Lastly, we want the dist folder. So to get that, we need to change the Angular JSON. Now if you see, our Angular JSON's output directory is dist and then the name of our project. I'll remove the name of the project, so it will just be a dist directory. Now I can do ng build to generate the dist folder, and then npm run server to run our server, and you can see we are listening on port 3000. So I can go to localhost port 3000 and we should see our Angular app, and yes, we do. Great. So we've set up our server,